Go in here, got a Royal Quiet Deluxe. I need to get the platen out of this thing, and it's got stripped out screws. So let's do this on camera and see if this works. My method of using a Dremel tool, I usually use these cutoff wheels, but it's not, I can't get it in there. And it doesn't help that that screw is also screwed up, and so is this screw in here, right there. So I can't. So Dremel does have a larger diameter disc, but it's also wider. I don't know if it's going to cut the slot I need in here, but we're going to give this a shot on camera, sort of, and see if I can get this to. So the slot right now is going that way, but I got no choice but to go this way, and I'm going to give it a shot. I mean, I can't, can't make it any worse. I guess I have to blow it out or something. Okay. Okay, I went a little deeper than the edge there. Let's see if I can get this to break free. Come on, buddy. Nope. Try a different screwdriver. This guy right here. I'm gonna get a little extra light in here so I can make sure I got my grip just right. Double fist this guy. Come on. I can't see. Let's see in here. Doesn't seem to be turning. I'm going to go a little deeper. Can't quite see what's going on in here. Well, that looks pretty good. Try some more here. I think I got it to move. I did. Got it. Oh, there she goes. Hey. Nice. Okay. Let's do this one in here now. See if we get lucky and get two out of these. Right there. So now I can get, the knob was blocking the Dremel tool, so now I can get to this one. And we're going to do the same thing. Okay, let's try this with my regular screwdriver. Come on, buddy. Oh, no. Doesn't want to go. I'll try my better screwdriver. Oh, come on. No. It's not turning. to go a little deeper. All right. Hard to see what where the threads are on this thing. Let's see if I can get this to come on. That's not going. Oh boy, I got a pretty good grip on that too, and it's not moving. I can't get it to move. Okay. I just don't know. I think it's turning. Oh man. It kind of looks like it's turning, but sure not acting like it's tight all the way. See, now the slot is this way, I see. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Got it. Oh my. That's one chewed up, but I think the slot is still good. And the other one is still good. So now we can put the knob back on like this. At least with the one set screw. Pull the shaft out. Put a drop of oil right there. Presto, look at that. It's a little rusty over here on the end. But all right. Success. Success. I'm so happy. All right. Well, that's how you can get some of these set screws off here. They're pretty tricky, but cut that thing and make a slot. All right. I'm happy with this Phoenix typewriter. Good day.